Are you searching for a B school that blends academic excellence with corporate exposure and a strong placement ecosystem? Welcome to PIBM, Pune Institute of Business Management, one of India's leading business schools, strategically located in the educational and corporate hub of Pune. PIBM offers AICTE-approved PGDM and Savitribai Phule Pune University-affiliated MBA programs, both designed to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world business challenges. The programs focus on developing not just academic knowledge but practical skills and leadership abilities required in top-tier corporate roles. PIBM's unique training pedagogy is based on an industry co-designed curriculum, ensuring students are equipped with the most in-demand knowledge and tools. Students undergo 360-degree development, which includes domain-specific training, aptitude development, communication enhancement, and advanced certification programs. Students can choose from various specializations, including marketing, finance, human resource, business analytics, operations, and applied business analytics, in collaboration with IBM. These are enhanced through live business projects, corporate interface sessions, and industry visits. PIBM also partners with leading companies to deliver certification courses in Advanced Excel and Financial Modeling, Power BI, Tableau, Python and R, Six Sigma, HR Analytics, Business Analytics, and Digital Marketing, FinTech and Investment Banking. One of the key highlights is PIBM's strong corporate connect, with more than 750+ top companies conducting training sessions, internships, and placement drives every year. Students go through 50+ corporate interactions and live business projects throughout their course. PIBM also conducts internships in 2 phases: Winter Internship Program, WIP, Summer Internship Program, SIP. The real-world training experience ensures students are job-ready even before they graduate. When it comes to placements, PIBM boasts exceptional outcomes. Highest package, 18.3 lakh per annum. Average package, 8.5 lakh per annum. Top recruiters include Deloitte, eWay, KPMG, Dabur, Reckitt, HDFC Bank, ITC, IDFC First Bank, Xiaomi, Nestlé, LG, Godrej, Marico, and many more across sectors like BFSI, FMCG, retail, consulting, and e-commerce. The lush green, Wi-Fi-enabled PIBM campus is equipped with modern classrooms, digital libraries, amphitheater-style seminar halls, computer labs, and residential facilities that foster an ideal environment for learning and innovation. Admissions are based on a combination of entrance scores, CAT, MAT, EXAT, CMAT, RTMR, GMAT, academic record, group discussion, and personal interview. If you're ready to transform into a confident, industry-ready leader through a balanced mix of academic training, certifications, and corporate immersion, PIBM Pune is the place for you. Application fee is 1,000 rupees. Discount coupons are available for PIBM. You just need to connect with us on the number below to get your personalized coupon code. Call us today to learn more about the admission process, scholarships, and how AdviceBrother can help you secure your seat at PIBM. For more such videos, subscribe to AdviceBrother and follow us on Instagram.